Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a ponytail and I'm going to be showing you how I do that on my short hair. So to start, I section my hair into two from the back with a comb, and then I go on to the next phase. After sectioning my hair into two, I then hold it down with some rubber bands and I start at the back of my hair. So I'll be using this hairstyle gel. You don't have to use this one in particular. This was just what I could get my hands on at the time. So first off, I try to get out all the kinks in my hair by using a hairbrush to brush it out before I then start partitioning it for my hair gel. So I'll be applying hair gel all throughout the hair, starting at the back, and I'm just using a tail comb to scoop out the hair gel and apply it on my hair. Now, you don't have to do this you don't have to have neat parts or anything like that. All you're trying to do is to saturate your hair with hairstyle gel. And my hair is currently kind of damp, so yeah, it kind of helps to ensure that the gel is well saturated in your hair. So I just do that all through the back of my hair. And once I'm done with the back, I move to the front and do the exact same thing, just applying the hairstyle gel onto my hair and brushing out any knots or kinks that are in my hair. I also decided to do a center part. It's also important to brush or comb your hair after applying the gel to your hair. This ensures that it gets out all the knots that might be in your hair and your hair lays flat when you're making your ponytail. using a bristle brush. I'm just trying to get everything to lay flat so I can connect the hair in front with the ponytail I've made at the back. So I'm going to be using my brush, my comb, whatever you need to get the hair to lay flat. So this is what it looks like from behind, and I'm just connecting both ends of the hair together. So I just connected the front and then the back, and then I'm just going to go in with my brush comb to straighten out all the kinks in the hair. I also decided to do some baby hairs, and I'm using this product. I don't really know the name. I don't even think it has an English name. I know it's a Chinese product, but it's really good for your edges. It's a form of hair, I don't even know what to call it, but like an edge control. Yeah, and it has a really good hold. So I'm just using that to create some baby hairs. Not really baby hairs, just, a little swoop here, a little swoop there in front of my hair, to complete the look. Now all you have to do is to keep brushing your hair until you're satisfied, and when you have something like this, then you can proceed to the next step, and that will be to secure it further with a hair scarf. Now I'm going to be tying this scarf on my hair, and I'm going to be leaving it on for about 10 minutes for it to, lock all the hair in place with the gel that has been put into the hair, and we'll be back in the next 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, you can take off your scarf, and this is what we have. It's a more, solid form of our ponytail, and then I'm proceeding to the next step, which is to attach my ponytail extensions. You can rock your hair like that, but I decided to add a ponytail extension to my hair, and I like this ponytail because it has a pocket where you can put your hair into, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So I put my hair into the hair pocket and I wrap with the elastic band. Once again, I brush out my hair just to make sure that everything's laying flat, and thereafter I go back in with my hair scarf to wrap it one last time, and after wrapping it, I wait for about 5 minutes before taking it off. And yes, this is the finished look. I feel like it's such a beautiful way to style your hair. I'm just securing it further with bobby pins just to ensure that the ponytail stays in place more firmly. And yeah, this is the finished look. I love ponytails. I feel like it's just a very quick and easy way to get your hair done without, having to wear a wig or getting braids. And it looks pretty easy and very well put together. So if you guys like this ponytail, we have it available for sale. I also have these other ponytail styles, and yeah, that's the finished look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next one.